Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will be learning foreground extraction. So what does it mean is when we want to show or when we want to display only a specified part of an image, uh, and we want and rest of the part we want to black out. So this can also be termed as the background remover. So I want to show you an example. Here is an image, see this. So if you want to remove the background and we want to extract this person, we only want to display this person, and we do not want to this background, and we want this background to be blackout, and only this person should be should be shown in the image. So this is termed as the foreground extraction. So we will be using OpenCV library of Python to complete this task, and so let's start with it. First of all, we will import OpenCV, next NumPy, now we will read the image, and here I will specify the path, and the image which I have shown you earlier, I will be using the same image in this tutorial. Next is we will construct a mask array. For that I will use NumPy array, because CV2 reads each image in NumPy, so we will be using NumPy only. And so one thing is very important, that you have to that the size of the mask array should be same as your image array. Size of this img array and this mask array should be same. So for that I will use this, and here I will specify data type, and this term will return the shape of this img array, and this shape will be 3D, and we only require only 2D, we need only 2D array, so that's why I have done slicing here. And next is we will construct two arrays which will be of size 1 comma 65, and that will be the zero array, means all the values all the values in that array will be 0. And for that sorry data type should be float 32. And next is fg model array, and the array will be same. Draw over the in this image I only want this person to be displayed, so I have to draw a rectangle which will cover this person. After that our algorithm will work, and then it will remove all other background things, and only this person will remain, and rest of the part will black out. So first, this is the most important thing that you have to remember always, that you have to draw a rectangle over the that part of image which you want to extract. I have to specify the starting point of the rectangle, and I know that it's very difficult to draw a rectangle, or because we have to choose random values and keep on trying and see which values are the best for drawing the rectangle over that part of the image which you want to extract. So next is we will use cv2 dot grab cut. this function will help us to extract only the specified of part of that image. So first argument will be the image which we will be using, and the second will be the mask, and third will be the rectangle which we have specified, whose coordinates which we have specified here, and next is BG model and foreground model, and fifth next argument will be the number of iterations. So here I have specified 5, which means that our algorithm will run 5 times for extracting this image, for extracting this foreground. So, and the last one will be the mode. This is the mode which we will be using to extract the image. Here cv2.grabcut will modify the mask image, and the new mask image will contain pixels, and they will denote they will be having 4 different type of flags, and those will be the background flag, foreground flag, probably background, and last one is probably foreground. So the modified mask image will contain 4 type of values: 0, 1, 2 and 3, denoting each type of flag. Like 0 means foreground flag, 1 means background flag. You can go through the documentation and see what does it mean exactly. In will be equal to p dot where. Here I want to black out the part which is not the part of the foreground. So here what does it mean is, um, in the modified mask image, if the pixel contains value 0 or 2, it means that it is a part of the background and we want it to black out. So if the mask value is equals to 0, or mask value is equals to 2, then the new mask array will replace that array with the 0 value. It means it will black out that part, and the rest of the values will be 1. And here I will specify data type. And last thing is, we want to multiply the new mask which we obtained after extraction. Before multiplying this new mask array, we have to convert it into a 3D array, because our IMG array is a 3D array, and the new mask is a 2D array. So for making it 3D, we will use np dot new axis. So now the shape of both the arrays are equal, IMG and new mask, and now we will display our output. So our final image will be stored in final, and last is destroy all windows. Before that, wait key. So the output will be shown until or unless we do not press any key, and now we see the output. If I run this, okay, so now there's an error. Okay, same type of mistake. Here the float 64 will be used. Now if I run this, you can see that the final image is we have extracted the foreground, we have extracted this person image, and rest of the image is blackout. So in this same way you can use other images also. The most important thing is you have to draw rectangle in such a way so that it can cover easily that part of the image which you want to extract. So this is the most important thing while implementing this algorithm. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.